Just enjoying the day, trying to remove some stress, and that's it. Luckily, I did not saw any UFO today. But the sky is covered with trees, so I cannot see any UFO. They did not show up today, but I know they're there. Not kidding, it's true. Okay, I don't know. I fly drones, windy. The drone a bit hard to come back because of the strong wind. So let's see what it looks like in the video. Anyway, still a good day here in Sydney, Australia. It's one of the park here near the race course there.